Ano mga please? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Binma Sinkhole. This is the sinkhole. It's actually, as per the legend, there is telling that this is actually made by an asteroid. There's a lot of people here. Okay, hello mga monks. We're here in Binma Sinkhole. This is actually my 4th or 5th time coming here. But then, para na-enjoy ko siya lalo kasi marami akong kasama. And then, it's a cold weather now. So, parang magandang siya panahon para pumunta dito. Kaso, hindi na kami makaligo kasi masyadong malamig. And the fish pa. Bye bye sinkhole. Well guys, it's time to go home. It's a struggle going upstairs, so you need to be a sporty one. Okay, bye bye. Please like, subscribe, share my videos. Bye bye.